Ready for ride with Madonna and Raja. Yeah, you've been to India, yeah?
Yeah, Dharamsala.
Dharamsala. Stay in monastery at least one life.
I know, that's what I... But
Good morning, Tashi Delek. Today is very special day and we meet very nice and beautiful lady. She invited to me for ride here.
woohoo!
Good morning.
Big American truck.
Yeah. We go to ride. Camper van.
We're going for a ride.
My favorite van.
You're ready to... This is your next plan?
Yes, is my
Really?
next plan. Yeah,
Next
really?
plan?
Yeah.
Huh? Good influence.
Call key, I'm sure. Tashi, his name is Tashi, yeah?
Yeah, Tashi.
Tashi is a swimming.
Okay. Go on.
Mandana tangaran in ready.
I'm giving you Tashi's seat.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah. So we move this stuff. Hang
Start
on.
leaning on.
Ooh, here, you can show inside. It's a little little messy.
It's okay.
Come on in.
Come on. First way. Ik. Moto nalola.
Woo, watch your step.
Okay.
Okay, you're gonna sit here.
Okay. I will show this. This one is water. Yeah, used for water. And we have a little kitchen. Mandana makes some delicious omelette.
Omelette.
Yeah, coffee, tea. Dekho baji.
Hi, good morning.
Stove
We
there.
got a friend who's in the van.
And we have a very good fridge. Can I show fridge?
You can show whatever. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Especially for my mom. I show my mom, okay?
Okay.
Now she's retired, so next time we bought like this.
Where's your mom?
My mom is northern India.
Okay.
How to open this one?
Oh yeah.
I
Because
forgot.
when I drive, it flies open.
Yeah.
So this way you close with Velcro.
Thank you. Very
Yeah.
nice fridge.
Yeah. Fridge. Some lights.
Oh, light also.
Lights. See
Fine.
lights.
Yeah,
Lights.
light.
Fan. Here's fan.
Fan. Oh, wow, cool.
It is cool, huh?
That's cool.
It's super cool.
And you have a bed. Very nice
This
bed.
is my bed. Yeah.
This is your bed, and this
That
one
is
is
the doggy's bed.
Tashi bed. Tashi is your bed.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Okay. I'm gonna
Thank you
move
for
that.
ride.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Okay, now
Oh,
we
come here,
can.
Come on, get back in.
We need to close, yeah?
Yeah. And we're gonna sit down. Okay.
I sit with Tashi.
Well, you sit, and if she might want to sit with you, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I
okay.
need my
What?
this. I need my directions.
Okay.
I don't know anything about this town. I
We
just,
do the short ride, okay?
yeah, just a little.
Little ride. Tashi, you wanna sit with monks? Tashi, you wanna sit with monks? Yeah, come.
Okay, so
Come.
we're gonna have you put seatbelt.
Okay, we need the seat belt.
Yeah,
Buckle up.
and it's kind of tricky because it's old.
It's okay.
Well, let's see. Well, hang on. Where it's
Oh,
by
sorry.
your foot. Yeah.
Sorry,
You come all the
sorry.
way in. There we go. Now,
Ready for ride with Madonna and Raja.
okay.
How long you drive this van?
I have had this van for 2 years, but only short trip.
Oh.
I'm now day 4, day 5, and I'm gonna go for 2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
Yeah. It's called being a snowbird. You
Yeah.
leave the snow.
Oh, we leave the
Yeah,
snow.
because where I live in Lake Tahoe, there's a lot of snow right now. It's starting to get a lot of snow, and it was too hard. I need to.
Maybe we've been to Lake Tahoe.
You were, yeah.
After-
The tour has come
Yeah.
with Melanie,
Yeah.
and yeah. So, okay, we're gonna go towards the dog park. How much time do you have? You have 5-minute ride.
5 to 10 minutes. How many?
Okay.
Only 5 to 10 minutes?
It's 11:45, so
Okay.
you need to be right back. Oh, hang on. Airplane mode,
Ah,
sorry.
Tashi.
Let me fix this. Okay, I'm gonna fix this. Okay. Okay, let's try it again.
Starting route to Civic Center Dog Park.
Okay.
Proceed to Shadow Mountain Drive, then turn left.
Ooh, cool.
Oh, this is a Chevy 350 truck.
Oh, nice.
I have never,
Yes.
I usually drive a little Toyota. So
Little
this is
Toyota?
a little more adventure.
Yeah.
But my husband and I used to travel together like this, and so I know how to do it. And now I'm retired, rewired, and I'm doing it.
Yeah, you are very
I'm
strong.
doing it. We won't go fast, but this thing actually likes to go fast.
Oh, really?
But in town, it's like, why are we in town? Let's go out on the big
At the
highway.
stop sign, turn
Yeah.
left, then turn right. End the lane, turn right onto
Oh,
Bristol Park
Tashi.
Avenue.
Yeah. We go for ride, Tashi.
Yeah, so this is City of Palm Desert.
Palm Desert.
Very cool.
Quarters of a mile.
Very good. It doesn't look like a palm desert.
No, it looks
Yeah.
like a city in the palms.
Yeah. Lot of greenery.
Yeah, very, lot of money in this town, so
Yeah.
they keep it nice.
Keep nice, yeah?
Yeah. Highway 111, California. Now we wait at the light. Art galleries, many see, look,
Yeah.
that's a big gallery, Monet, Picasso,
Yeah.
Degas, Roscoe, modern art. Modern
Modern.
American and European
Modern art.
modern art.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, there's the Big Love. Oh, that's a famous sculpture right there.
Oh, big love.
The Love, yeah, that's a famous sculptor. I'm forgetting his name. But he makes those and they put them in cities. This is,
How many days you are here?
I will be here for your tour for 3 days.
3 days. Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
And then I'll go out into the desert and where it's very different.
Oh. Joshua Tree? Joshua Tree?
Yeah. I'm going to go up towards Joshua Tree.
Yeah, we've been
That's
there.
more my style than Palm Deserts.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up there after. I'm not sure. I think I can stay till Sunday, but I may leave on Saturday after dissolution. The neat thing about a van is you don't have to you don't have to plan so hard.
Yeah,
If I want to leave on Saturday, I can leave on Saturday. I
Yes.
don't need if I'm not trying to get a hotel.
yeah,
it's good.
it's very good thing, yeah?
Yeah.
If you want to leave, you can leave.
When I was tired
Yeah.
last night, I was tired after ceremony. I actually just slept in the parking lot at the church.
Oh,
So-
nice. So
And
Turn left onto
it's cool.
yeah, it gives you a lot of freedom,
Yeah,
and
it's
I
a lot
feel
of freedom.
safe.
Yeah.
I'm smart about it, but
Yeah.
I feel good about it all. Tashi's learning how.
Tashi is very sweet.
She is very sweet.
She's very sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've been to India, yeah?
Yeah, Dharamsala.
Dharamsala.
Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Not in the
Rajasthan.
south, only north.
Oh.
North. I spent 4 months in India.
Oh, nice.
4 months.
4 months in India. Wow. We
I
are.
was wow, India is a wild place. I was like, how am I going to do 4 months in India? And it was Kulu Valley, love Kulu Valley, Manali,
Oh, Manali.
Rourke paintings, Rourke Museum.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, 20 years ago, exactly.
20 years ago?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Audience with the Losar teachings.
Ah, you meet his holiness?
I did not meet, no, but I was there.
Oh, nice.
And, am I supposed to turn? Yeah, I'm supposed to turn.
Okay, is your disturb for you?
You know, we're all good. There's not much traffic. It's great.
It's great, yeah?
It's easy.
Oh, they have a very nice
The park.
ground.
Yeah, that's maybe a school. I'm taking you by the park.
Okay.
And then we'll go back.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is their, on the right, this is their civic center. This is like this is the town park. There's a theater in there. This is the dog park. This is where I've been
Civic
coming.
Center Park.
I've been coming here and bringing Tashi to this place. She has to have fun too.
Yeah. You've been a very nice place. It's your
This is so nice.
Yeah.
I'm like, you know, and in US, staying in
Yeah.
van like this is
Yeah.
kind of hard to do in this nice of a town, but somehow
Yeah.
it's working.
yeah.
I'm very grateful.
Yeah,
they have
you
a
are very-
pool, a
At the stop
YMCA.
sign, turn left into the
You are
parking lot.
very fortunate.
I am a very blessed girl. Yes, I am. We'll go by the dog park and then we'll go back.
Yes.
Tashi's like, are we gonna get out? Oh, it's quiet. Everybody's at work.
You've entered the parking lot.
It's
of
work?
your destination.
Dog park.
Yes. Tashi, you want to go out?
Yeah, but I'll come back.
Yeah, you come back?
I'll take you back and I'm
Okay.
gonna get. We did not have a driver. We went pretty cheap.
When we back to India, I must be buy one this like van. And I will go with my family.
I would love to hear about it.
Yeah, this time I will call you, okay?
Yeah, what's up?
Sandana, I buy the van and I go to family trip with my mom and dad.
I love it. All right, now I gotta get us back.
Yeah.
Will you stay in monastery for only a certain number of years, or?
We stay in monastery at least one life.
I know, that's what but you can be a monk and have a van and go with your family, sure.
Yes.
Head south on Central Way. Then take the first left onto Franklin Drive.
Oh, very busy street.
Yeah, and I'm going the wrong way already.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
We go to stairs.
then
Oh,
we
very
go,
nice.
then we turn. Woo! Yeah, it's kind of like a chuck wagon. Like in the old movies, U.S. old Western movie.
Ah,
Have you seen anything like that?
which
John Wayne movie, or you know, when the old timey, the covered wagon.
yeah,
It's kind of like a covered wagon.
Tashi, you are very happy guy. Happy
Girl.
girl. He's a lucky girl. Go everywhere with
Madonna.
bandana.
Yeah.
How old?
3.
Oh, he's young.
We've only been together. She was rescue.
Rescue dog?
Yeah.
Wow.
I've had her 1 year. Woo! That's a big bump. That one.
Ah.
1 year.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Shadow Mountain Drive.
Yesterday you been to Tanya kitchen?
No, I go now.
Chef Tanya?
No, yesterday I had food in my fridge. I try not to waste food,
Oh,
so I ate some leftovers.
In
But
half a mile, turn right into the parking lot.
I ate some leftovers, but I'm gonna go to Chef Tanya's kitchen now after I drop you off, and I'm gonna get Melanie some food. So
yeah. Chef Tanya kitchen is very nice.
yeah,
Very
it looks.
delicious food.
I bet beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, food is medicine.
Food is medicine.
Breath is medicine. Water is medicine.
Yes.
Um,
Yesterday they
Oh.
offered us for burger.
where? A quarter mile. Okay.
Oh, we made it.
You made it.
We made it,
You made
Tashi. Good trip.
Well, I didn't get to take you on the highway, but you got to see the city a little.
Yeah, it's
Here you
good.
go.
Oh,
There
thank
go.
you.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go check in with Melanie
Yeah,
as well and see if we need anything else before I go,
yeah.
and then I'll be back.
How to
Okay,
open?
watch
Oh,
your foot there.
okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. Thank you, Mandana. Tashi, thank you.
Cool.
Yes.
Glad to do it, friend.
Yes.
Yeah, Tashi.
Okay.